In this video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off parental controls on Oculus Quest 3. So to do that, you first need to head over to the supervision settings for teens. So you need to understand that we have in here some parent settings wherein you can block apps based on age rating. So by default, you will be blocking the Meta Horizon store from downloading or purchasing all apps that are rated above your current age. However, you can request that your parent allow individual apps on a case-by-case basis. So you can also use Block Link, which and the link in AirLink that lets you access additional apps by connecting your MetaQuest headset to a PC through a link cable or wirelessly through AirLink. You can also get parent notifications from there once you install application. Now, if your parent blocks your access to social features on MetaQuest, it will also prevent you from accessing features like calls and chat. So to turn it off, you just need to ask your parent, turn it off themselves, and it should be able to manage that setting. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.